Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fabada beans. First, choose high-quality, large white beans, often called fabes de la grana. These beans are essential for achieving the authentic creamy texture. You'll need to soak them in cold water for a minimum of 12 hours, or ideally overnight. This rehydration step is crucial for proper cooking and helps prevent the beans from splitting. Make sure they are completely covered by several inches of water. After soaking, drain your beans and transfer them to a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Cover them with fresh cold water, ensuring there are about 2 to 3 inches of water above the beans. Now, it's time to add the essential flavor components: Asturian chorizo, morcilla, and pancetta. These cured meats infuse the beans with their rich, smoky essence. Bring the pot to a boil, then immediately lower the heat to a very gentle simmer. The key to perfect fabada is a long, slow simmer. Let the beans cook gently for 2 to 3 hours, or until they are wonderfully tender. During this time, you'll perform a technique called scaring the beans. This involves adding a small amount of cold water to the pot 3 separate times, which briefly stops the boil. This traditional method helps prevent the bean skins from bursting, ensuring a creamy, intact texture. Remember to skim any foam. Once the beans are tender, carefully remove the cured meats from the pot. Slice the chorizo, morcilla, and pancetta into bite-sized pieces, then return them to the stew. Now is the time to season your fabada with salt. Adding it too early can toughen the beans. Stir gently to combine all the flavors. Let the fabada rest for at least 30 minutes off the heat. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a richer, more harmonious dish. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.